Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Ray and I'm from usethebitcoin.com, and today I will be making a new technical analysis for Bitcoin. Alright, so if you could notice in our channel, most of my technical analysis are just focusing on Bitcoin because I think something big will really happen for Bitcoin in the next weeks or maybe even for this week. Okay, so I'm thinking that Bitcoin might be breaking its all-time high for this week, okay, or maybe next week, okay? But keep in mind, guys, that this is just price prediction, calculated guess, okay? No one is 100% sure of what's going to happen next, okay? But what we are doing here is just calculations, okay? Something that could prepare us for the next things that might happen. Now, anyways, let's look at our previous technical analysis for Bitcoin. Last May 16, okay, May 16, 2024, I informed you guys, okay, we made a video, we made a price prediction, and we posted it in our website as well. And I informed you guys that we will be forming a cup and handle pattern for Bitcoin, okay? So while we were doing that, that's around 65,000 levels. Okay, let's make this one bigger. Okay, so this one. While we were making that technical analysis, we were still at around 65,000 levels. And I told you guys that we already formed a bigger cup here. So the next thing that will happen is Bitcoin will be forming a handle pattern here. Now I will show you that in our charts. Okay. All right. Now let's go to our weekly time frame, right? And let's zoom out for a bit. Okay. So this was our cup pattern, okay? And then while we were making that video, we were still at around 65,000 levels, okay? So that's around here, okay? And the previous formation of Bitcoin during that time was just around here, okay? Something like this one. All right. And I informed you guys that we will be having a handle pattern. Okay. So I mentioned it there that we will be forming with something like this one. Okay. There you go. All right. Now, if you are going to zoom out, okay, you will see that that is a cup. Okay. And that is a handle pattern. All right. It may seem small, but if you're going to zoom in to our daily time frame, okay, there you go, guys. As you can see, it is properly following our handle pattern. Okay, so as what you could see, guys, if you are just watching our videos, listening to whatever I'm saying, okay, reading our articles here in usethebitcoin.com, then you could have a potential of earning money. Okay, you have an advantage to other traders, or you have an advantage to other people because we are giving you information before it will happen. Okay, just imagine we posted that at May 16th. Okay, and now we are already at June 6th. Okay, and yeah, it's already happening. Okay, so that is why it's very important for you guys to really subscribe to this channel and subscribe to our newsletter. Okay? All right. So anyways, we will be making a new technical analysis for Bitcoin. Okay, let's remove all the drawings here. And as what I've mentioned in our introduction, I've mentioned it there that I'm so excited for Bitcoin because I think something big will happen very soon. It could be for this week or next week. Okay, if you see this one, okay, so this was the previous all-time high for Bitcoin. Okay, if you're going to measure that, that's around $73,000. Okay, and if you're going to check our current price for Bitcoin, we are already at the $71,000. Okay, now if we are going to measure Bitcoin's current price, okay, so this one going to its previous all-time high at around here, so that's around 3 to 4% only, okay? And for Bitcoin to move at around 3 to 4% is not impossible, okay? In fact, okay, if you're going to look at this candle from this candle, okay, Bitcoin made a move at around 8% move within the week, okay? For this one, let's measure this to this. Okay. Bitcoin made 7% move for only 1 week. So just imagine this, guys. A 3% move for Bitcoin is not impossible within the week, or it's not impossible for the next month. Okay. So I do believe that we will be seeing a new all-time high in the month of June. Okay. So that is my wild prediction. Again, this is just prediction. I could be wrong. Okay. So just trade at your own risk. Okay. And one more thing, I will turn on our RSI. Okay. So as what you could see, this was our previous all-time high for Bitcoin, right? Okay. And if you're going to look closely here at the previous all-time high, we were at the oversold levels. Okay. And now look at this one. The current price of Bitcoin is at 71,000, yet our RSI is just at 62,000 levels. Okay. We are very far from the oversold levels, and yet we are only 3% away from its previous all-time high. Do you get what I'm saying? It means that Bitcoin has a lot of room to grow before it will start consolidating again. Okay? So that is why I'm very excited, because I think something big will really happen here for Bitcoin in the next days. Okay? Just imagine, we only need 3% move here to break our all-time high. And after that, yeah, who knows what will happen. Okay? We have Ethereum ETFs. We have Bitcoin ETFs. Okay? Big institutions are already buying Bitcoin. BlackRock is already availing ETFs. So I'm really excited on what's going to happen next. Okay? Now let's zoom out, guys. Okay? Let's zoom out a bit. As you can see, this was the previous flag, right? Okay. And if we measure the pole for Bitcoin, so from here to here, okay, and if we are going to move that pole to this one, okay, from the breakout levels, right? There you go. As you can see, it's not impossible for Bitcoin to reach the 100,000 levels, okay? I'm very excited with that, but again, let's just focus on the nearest resistance levels, okay? The nearest areas, that would be at around $73, $75, $80, $85 first. Okay, let's just focus on those realistic levels first. Okay, but yeah, I'm very excited for 100,000 someday. Okay, anyways, thank you so much again for watching. I hope you learned something from this one. Again, be sure to subscribe to our website, and be sure to subscribe to our channel as well, because we will be making more technical analysis in the next few days. All right, have a great day. Peace out.